Hello, in this video I will show you how to upload your project to your hosting, but before we start I want to explain some things. When you finish making a project, for the world to see it, you must upload it to the cloud. That is to say, this project has to be uploaded or hosted on a server so that other people can see it. This server can be a VPS virtual private server or a shared hosting cheaper. It is worth mentioning that there are other hosting, however I am only going to focus on the uploading of a hosting with cPanel like Hostinger that has hPanel. 1. To start, the first thing you have to do is to go to the folder where the project is. There you enter and select all the files except the public one. Double-click on it, and click on the option that says Add to Archive. To see this option you have to have WinRAR installed. Then in Archive Format choose the option that says ZIP. And finally in Compression Method choose Best. Click on OK and wait until it's over. Can take a few minutes. After it has finished compressing, go inside the public and select all the files and compress it as it was done in the previous step. We wait again until it's over. If you did everything right you should have 2 ZIP. In my case I called them Laravel Sensado X, zip, and also another inside the public folder, public zip, 2. Then go to the cPanel or hPanel, whichever panel you have, go to the file manager where you upload the files. Go to the public HTML and there paste or upload the files. This process may take some time. I will wait until all the files are uploaded. You can skip this part. When you are done, there are 2 ways. One, it is to unzip it directly, which may not work but maybe it will work for you. 2 is to have an unzipper. For example, the unzipper from GitHub. I will leave the link in the description, or you can find it in Google searching GitHub unzipper. Well, if you follow the unzipper way, I will tell you how to do it. You go to the GitHub link I left you there. Double-click where it says code and put download zip. When you have downloaded it, extract it and you will have a file in Zipper.php. This file you are going to paste it where the public HTML is. and then you are going to go to the top and write the name of your site webcom/unzipper.php. In my case it would be Laravel syntax.com/unzipper.php clarification where it says your site web.com is the name of the domain you have. There you will see first, Unzipper file, an option that says archive zip and a space to fill in. Choose the file public zip, in your case the name you gave to the file you compressed, and nd in the space you put a ... and click on Unzip Archive. This process does not usually take long. When it is finished you choose the other file, which would be in my case Laravel syntax. Zip and in the empty space put a name like Laravel website and click Unzip Archive. When you have finished, go to the hosting, to the file manager, to the public HTML, and there you will have a folder that says Laravel website where the roots, resources, among other things are, and the public you can see it directly. This means that it was extracted directly. 3. Move the folder Laravel website out of the public HTML with the arrow that is up in the navigation menu. You move it, it depends on where you have it uploaded, and then you should have the folder Laravel website and the other folder public HTML. It should look like it does on screen. After finish of using this unzipper you can delete the unzipper PHP file. 4. Go to the inside of the folder public HTML, go to Index.php and change these two codes. You have to put the name of the folder that is outside of the public HTML. I will show you now how to change them. When you finished, just put save. 5. After that you have to go inside the folder that is outside the public HTML, and there you click on the file. env. Change the part that is on the top, where said URL. Change the localhost for your website. That's all if you don't have any database, but if you have a database, you have to change the values in the env file. In the follow steps I will show you how to connect the database from your hosting to your web. 6. Go to the phpMyAdmin of the localhost, there select the database and then click on Export, that is at the top. When it is there it should show you options as shown on the screen, and click where says Joe. There you will download a SQL file. 7. We go to the hosting menu. We go to the option that allows us to create a database, in this case MySQL database. We create a database in the hosting. We fill all the fields and we put create. Once created we go to phpMyAdmin of that database. There we go to import, that is above, and there we choose the SQL file we have. When we have selected it, We go down where it says Geo and click on it. This should be uploading. This may take a while. When it's done, it should show you that it was a success. Then we go to a file manager, where the files are. There we go inside the Laravel website folder and click on the env file and complete the DB database. That would be the name of the database, the DB username, that would be the user, and the DB password, that would be the password. If you follow all the steps correctly, you should be able to see your website.